Plumbing vans should generally be replaced every 7 to 10 years, or once they cross somewhere between 150,000 and 200,000 miles, whichever happens first. That range is not random, it is based on when repair costs start outweighing the value the van still provides to your business. Think of a plumbing van like a pair of work boots that you wear every single day on tough job sites. At first, the boots are strong and reliable, but after years of stepping on nails, mud, and hot pavement, the soles start wearing thin and they cannot protect your feet the way they used to. A van works the same way. The engine, transmission, and suspension slowly wear down from constant stops, heavy tool loads, and long driving hours. Here is something most people do not know. Mechanics and fleet managers actually track something called cost per mile, which means they add up fuel, repairs, and maintenance, then divide it by how many miles the van is driven. Once that number starts climbing fast, usually around years 7 or 8, it is a clear sign the van is costing you more than a replacement would. Waiting too long also means you lose money on resale value, since older vans with high mileage sell for much less. A smart move is to start budgeting for a replacement around year 6, so you are financially ready before repairs pile up. One common mistake is waiting until the van completely breaks down before replacing it, which usually means emergency repair bills and missed jobs. So a better approach is scheduling a full inspection every year starting at year 5 to catch problems early. Another misconception is thinking a shiny paint job or a clean interior means the van is still in great shape, when really the engine and transmission are what matter most. So always get a mechanical inspection, not just a visual one. People also forget to track total repair costs over time, letting small fixes add up unnoticed. So keeping a simple spreadsheet of every repair cost can help you see the exact moment replacement becomes cheaper than fixing. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.